The expanding abyss in Siberia, the doorway to climate change's future? The rapid growth of Siberia's doorway to hell, a rapidly expanding chasm in Siberia, visible even from space, has become a striking symbol of a much larger, often hidden global issue. Dubbed the Batagayka Crater or doorway to hell, this massive depression has grown significantly since the 1960s. Satellite images reveal its transformation from a barely noticeable crack to a vast, cliff-lined abyss. According to the United States Geological Survey, USGS, this chasm has tripled in size between 1991 and 2018, reflecting a troubling trend tied to climate change. What does this crater represent? The Batagayka Crater, often mistaken for a simple geological formation, is actually a retrogressive thaw slump, RTS, a phenomenon where the thawing of permafrost causes the ground to collapse. As the Arctic warms at a rate faster than the rest of the world, permafrost, a once permanent layer of frozen soil, is melting rapidly. This thawing results in the ground sinking and collapsing into large pits, leading to landslides along the edges of these depressions. Thousands of such thaw slumps exist across the Arctic, but the Batagayka Crater stands out due to its immense size, earning it the title of a megaslump. Named after the nearby town of Batagay, the crater is a significant marker of permafrost degradation. Permafrost is not the most visually striking topic, says Dr. Roger Michaelides, a geophysicist from Washington University, as it usually involves underground frozen soil. Unless exposed, like in this megaslump, it remains largely invisible. A warning from the past, a key to the future. The Batagayka Crater is more than just a geological curiosity, it offers clues about the future of our planet. As the permafrost melts, organic material that has been frozen for centuries, such as dead plants and animals, begins to decompose, releasing carbon dioxide and methane into the atmosphere. These potent greenhouse gases further accelerate global warming, creating a vicious cycle of warming and thawing. The potential consequences are severe. Permafrost covers about 15% of the land in the northern hemisphere and contains nearly twice as much carbon as is currently in the Earth's atmosphere. A recent study suggests that if industries and nations do not aggressively control emissions today, by 2100, the thawing permafrost could release as much greenhouse gas as a major industrialized country emits annually. There is much we don't know about how this cycle will unfold, warns Michaelides. But there is potential for rapid and significant changes on a geological timescale. Unlocking permafrost's secrets. Despite the alarming implications, much about permafrost thawing remains a mystery. Studying extreme cases like the Batagayka Crater helps scientists understand this process better and predict future changes. In a study published in June in the journal Geomorphology, researchers used satellite and drone data to create 3D models of the megaslump and calculate its expansion over time. They found that the Batagayka Crater has lost the equivalent of about 14 times the ice and frozen soil volume of the Great Pyramid of Giza. The crater grows by nearly 1 million cubic meters annually. This is truly an impressive figure, says Dr. Alexander Kizyakov, lead author of the study and a researcher at Lomonosov Moscow State University. Our findings show just how quickly permafrost can degrade. The study also estimated that the megaslump releases around 4,000 to 5,000 tons of carbon each year, equivalent to the annual emissions from the energy use of about 2,000 homes in the United States. While these figures are not surprising to Michaelides, he notes that they can help improve future models of permafrost thawing and emissions. A window into the Arctic's future. We have much to learn from Batagayka, says Michaelides. Not only in terms of understanding how Batagayka itself will evolve over time, but also in terms of how similar features might develop and change across the Arctic. As the world grapples with the realities of climate change, the Batagayka Crater offers a stark reminder of the hidden forces that shape our planet's future. The expanding chasm in Siberia is more than just a spectacle, it is a window into what might await our planet. As scientists continue to study this growing doorway to hell, they seek to unlock the secrets of Earth's past and, potentially, its future.